once was a fox, he was clever as you know. How to look handsome, I wish I could show. A shiny red coat he wanted to wear. He found one ribbon and tied it with care. He found a bright hat, he placed it on his head. I am now handsome, the proud fox said. The other foxes chuckled. Oh, what a sight you are! You are handsome in your fur. We love you for what you are.
अपना इंडिया, गोल्डन बुक्स का दीवाना, गोल्डन बुक्स का दीवाना, गोल्डन बुक्स को अपनाना। अपना इंडिया, बुक्स का दीवाना, गोल्डन बुक्स